Attractive and honest appearance can easily be misleading. People tend to trust appearance more than sincerity. The fear of losing someone is the beginning of love. Once you fall in love, those feelings never leave. Though you may no longer like that person, you will always care to some extent. Want to know what someone fears losing? Watch what they photograph. You are ripped at every edge, but you are a masterpiece. I hope you find someone who knows how to love you when you are sad. Learn to be very good at forgiving, as it is one of the most healing things that you can do to remove the negative energies from your life. The universe is a vast mirror reflecting back to you exactly what are. Never hurt that person whose only intention was to see you happy. You can't buy love, because when it's real, it is priceless. The way we talk to our children becomes their inner voice. They introduce you to the important people in their lives. They often mention the future. They pay more attention to you. They show empathy in good times and bad. They remember the little things. They have fun with you even if the task at hand is not fun. They look at you a lot. 7 ways to identify if someone is in love with you. Don't listen to yourself, listen to advice you give others. 90% people text things they cannot speak. While talking to someone, use their name to make them like you more. It takes 4 seconds for silence to become awkward. If a man expects his woman to be an angel in his life, then he should first create a heaven for her. It is difficult to accept the truth when the lies were all you wanted to hear. People are generally more honest when physically tired, psychology says. When you destroy someone's life with lies, take it as a loan, it will come back to you with interest. Psychology says. A real man spoils his lady with attention, respect, honesty, loyal, and love. A good woman is not easy to find nowadays. You have to steal from careless man who doesn't value what he had. Having many boyfriends doesn't mean you are beautiful, it's just that cheap products have many buyers. The power of a man can break the bone of a woman, but the silence of a woman can destroy a man's destiny. Sometimes you just need to learn stay quit when you have a lot to say. Once you start loving someone, it's hard to stop. The most dangerous enemy in your life is a close friend who is in a competition with you while you are not aware. A man's attraction for a woman fades when she demands commitment from him at the time he is not ready for it. Don't replace her. Teach her to be that woman you want. You can never find a perfect woman, but you can build a perfect woman. Never use your favorite song as alarm, you might end up hating it. You can rewire your brain to be happy by simply recalling 3 things you are grateful for 21 days. People who use swear words tend to be stronger emotionally. If you want to go somewhere you like but no one else wants to go, go by yourself and you will find people with same interest there. Every teacher once was a student, every winner once was a loser, every expert once was a beginner, but all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Every teacher once was a student, every winner once was a loser, every expert once was a beginner, but all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. If someone really loves you, no matter how many people they meet, their feelings for you won't change. A real love can't be stolen.